Okay, hello to all of you. I'm going to discuss the syllabus for the course Biology 256 laboratory course. So this is a Mercer University's course. So it's a Biology 256 laboratory course, microbiology for allied health laboratory. So in this course, we are going to do the labs related to microbiology. So this is fall 2020 session 1. This is a totally online laboratory course. This is my name. This is my email address. You have any question, please send me an email and I will answer your questions as quickly as possible. And here are some of the prerequisites for taking an online course. So please consider some of the things that you need to have before you start this course. You need to plan your time very effectively. You have to motivate yourself because we are actually not meeting face to face. And also because it's a lab course, you need to have a separate area in your house where you can perform the experiments. So this is a laboratory course which is designed for students who intend to apply for health profession programs. Students will perform hands-on experiments designed to focus on the development of a knowledge based in microbiology. Topics includes performing stain smears, culturing microorganisms, conducting immunology experiments, performing tests to identify bacteria and studying microbial growth control methods. I'm going to go over the list of the experiments we are going to do, and in this course you will be using this kit. I have already sent you the link of this kit. So this is a Carolina kit, and in this kit you will receive around 3 experiments and one, I think there's one virtual lab, and I will be posting all the documents also on the Mercer canvas. So basically, please order this quick kit as quickly as possible because we will be starting our experiments very soon. So the very first week, we'll be mostly talking about the laboratory safety and we'll be doing one virtual lab. But from next week, and Carolina is sending kits quite quickly. I received my kit in 2-3 days, so please order them. This is the link. And our main site is Mercer Canvas. So we are going to basically do everything on Mercer Canvas. I'm going to post the material for all the labs on Mercer Canvas, and all the quizzes, all the things, all the activities, the assignments, everything will be on the Mercer Canvas. If you have IT problems, here is the contact information. You can contact these people. They're very helpful. They will help you. You definitely need computer and internet also because this is an online course. And remember that this is a laboratory course. As I said, you have to make a separate area in your house where you are going to perform these experiments. Remember that you are dealing with microorganisms, so they can cause some contamination. So you have to be careful. So that's why the very first week I am focusing mainly on the laboratory safety practices because you are dealing with microbes. So make sure you are taking precautions when you are actually performing the hands-on experiments using this kit at your home. All the quizzes, all the assignments will be created on Mercer Canvas and they will be closing every Sunday night. So I will give you 1 week time to do these assignments, but these assignments are going to close on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. And please, there is no extension on the deadlines, so do not send me the emails for the extensions. There are no late assignments accepted, or no deadlines are extended. There is no makeup quizzes assignments unless there is some emergency situation. If there is a death of some family member or some emergency, some accident happened, in those cases the deadlines can be extended. COVID-19 excused absences. So if you are tested positive for COVID-19, you have to report to the Mercer Medicine hotline, or if you have some symptoms, you have to report to them. And if I get the documentation from Mercer Medicine hotline, if I get the documentation from them, then only I can excuse your absence, and then the deadlines can be extended. And for this course, all the quizzes which will be created, you have to take in the Respondents Lockdown browser. You have to take all the quizzes in the Respondents Lockdown browser. So you please you need to download this browser. And how to download, during the very first week you will be also doing an orientation for taking this course, and in that orientation you will be taught how to download the Respondents Lockdown browser. So you will be taking all the quizzes in this browser. There are some policies like community of respect, academic integrity, you can go over them. Disability, if you have any kind of a disability, you need to contact, this information is here, you need to contact these people. And then they send me the accommodations. So once I receive your accommodation, on the basis of that I give you the extended deadlines. It can be in terms of extended time period or more days or whatever. I will give you on the basis of the accommodations I receive from the disability office. This is the grading policy. You know, Mercer also has B plus and C plus. If you're more than 90, you have A grade. If you're more than 85, you have B plus. If you are between 80 and 84.9, you are B. If you're more than 75, you are C plus. If you're between 70 and 74.9, you are C. If you're between 60 and 69.9, you are D. And if you're less than 60, then you have F grade. You fail the course. And this is the grading formula. After every lab, there will be a post-lab quiz, which will be on Mercer Canvas. And all these quizzes are going to make 40% of your total grade. Then we have one lab final exam, which is going to be comprehensive. That is going to make 35% of your grade. And then we will be also doing a research project in this course. So for the research project, basically, you will be researching on some latest topic from microbiology, and you will be choosing a topic from microbiology, and you are going to you're going to do the research on this topic, and you're going to make the presentation on that topic. And the instructions how to make this presentation I will be giving you during the course. And this is the list of the experiments we will be doing. So the very first week we are going to concentrate on lab safety, because it's very, very important, especially because this is a microbiology class, a microbiology lab. So we need to be careful with the how you're going to perform the experiments at your home. So I'm going to post a document, you have to read it, and I'm also going to post one video. You need to watch that and then take the quiz. And this week you have a microscopy virtual lab. You have to just perform this lab at home. So this you will be performing virtually. And it's basically, this lab will just give you an idea how to use the microscope. It will tell you about the parts of the microscope, how to use it to focus, because next week we will be doing 2 experiments. And these experiments are there in the Carolina kit. So that's why I'm telling you, if you still have not ordered the kit, please order it, because from the next week we are going to use the Carolina kit. And if you do not have the Carolina kit, you will be behind. Okay. So next week we are going to do 2 experiments. We will be using microscope, and we will be also doing aseptic technique. Third week we will be doing isolation streak plating. So basically in this week we will be learning the technique of streaking, and also we will be doing a virtual lab on staining. And then after that, all the labs which we will be doing, these labs are not there in the kit, but I will be giving you some of the virtual labs for these experiments, or I will be giving you some material, and I will be posting some videos. You will be watching those videos, and you will come to know how to do these labs. So these are basically all virtual labs. For some of the labs, I do have the virtual labs where you actually go on computer and perform things. And for some of the labs, I will be posting some videos where you can actually watch how to perform these labs. And again, after every week there will be a quiz. So here we do the simple and differential staining, use of differential and selective medium. There are some biochemical tests and hand washing techniques. So these so we will be using the Carolina kit up to here, and after that I will be providing you some material. And the last week we will be doing we'll be having a lab practical exam, and it's going to be comprehensive. It will be from everything we have covered during the course. So that's all about your syllabus. If you have any questions, please let me know.